Hey guys, Glenn here. I got something really special in the mail from Ibos or Eibos or how do you pronounce that name? I'm not really sure. However, it's really cool. I want you to check it out. Here is the mystery box that I just got in the mail. It says Ibos, Artisan Series 1, suggesting maybe they're going to come out with a second one as well, but maybe they already did. I don't know. But what's inside? Oh, we can take a sneak peek here. It's filament. They make filament. I was not aware that they made filament. You can see that the colors are very unique. They're very pastel. And it looks like maybe you could keep it in the box and just run the filaments out here. So maybe to keep them dry and secure. But let's print with them and see how we like them. All right, let's see what's inside. Okay, so they are small. They're 200 grams. I don't know if this is a sample pack or what, but we'll find that out. But really neat colors. They all look kind of flat. This one's called Cypress. This one's called Tapioca. This is a very interesting pink. This one's called Terracotta. This is a blue, Oceana. But a very, very interesting colors. You're not going to find this, I don't think, any other brand. And then we got Craft, which is like a brownish, I guess I would say. Each filament roll has a little notch, so we can open it up. Nice and easy. Get them on the printers. All right, as you can see, they printed really, really well and very consistently. This is just the first test. I did temperature tower to see what I should print the Cali Dragon at to really test this filament. But you can see the colors now are just beautiful. They're like, it reminds me of pasta. Like, you know that pasta that you can get like the different colors? I don't even know if you know what I'm talking about, but there's pasta out there that looks like this. So as you can see, you do not want to go too high. I'm going to show you what I just did. I actually printed it at 200 and 185 to see the difference. I thought it would print pretty good at 200 just to kind of try to stress it out, but check out the result. So the Cali Dragon I love to use because it shows all the details on the screen here. You got small parameters, you got stringing. The stringing is like the easiest to tell with those antlers. It works so well. You can see overhangs, little deep fine details on its back, how smooth you can get the front, and ghosting. So I'm going to show you what these Cali Dragons look like, and it really gives a fine example of how good or bad this filament is. Now first up, this is the 200. It was pretty stringy, didn't perform like I want. I print most of my stuff at about 200, and this is not what I was expecting. After this, I lowered it to 185 and got much better results. These are at 185, about as much stringiness as I would have expected, but very uniform. All of them print like they're identical filaments. Like sometimes you get JO that like the different colors are so different. The way they print, like black and white, would be so different versus like a blue. These are all going to be seems like consistent. Give you a better close-up here. I'm really happy with this filament. As you can see, it's printing beautifully. You only have to hit it with some heat and a heat gun to get rid of that stuff on the antlers. But the antlers is a stress test, so I would expect some stringing. It's rare when I have a filament that does not string a little bit between the antlers. But I mean, this is minimal string. It's pretty good. Also, it is extremely humid in my studio right now, so a little extra stringing is kind of normal at the moment. I'm going to do a close-up of each color so you can see exactly how it performs. I mean, pretty good. I really don't have too much to complain about here. The blue, I would say, is probably the most stringy out of all of them. But, I mean, that could also be a printer issue because, you know, I did use different printers for each one. Now, this one's a brownish tan. It looks a little lighter in the light box, I would say, because there's so much light. So you guys can see, you know, all the imperfections. But, very unique color. Then you got this one, which is a darker brown. Very earthy tone. So something like, if you're going to do some kind of earthy dirt or something like that, maybe a Groot would be perfect in this color. A quick note, these are all 0.2 millimeters high and 185 degrees. So, you know, I can get better results, of course, if I wanted to wait longer, but pretty much everything I print is either 0.2 or 0.3 millimeters. 0.2 is fine enough detail for most things I'm doing. If I were to hit this with the heat gun, it would look way better. I hit everything with a heat gun before I send out an order, for instance. Or even if I'm doing a project for myself, I heat gun it because you know, a lot of things string, especially in my environment. I do not keep it super dry down here. It is a basement, but the heat gun solves all those issues. So I would not be concerned about the stringing whatsoever. This pink is also very earthy. It is really pretty. Honestly, it kind of makes me hungry. I kind of want to eat all these colors for some reason. Maybe that's because it reminds me of those colored pastas. I don't know, but I've never seen colors that remind me of pasta like this before. All right, here we are at their website. Looks like they sell not only the 200 but the 500. It seems pretty expensive, but it does have free shipping. So we got 200 grams at $10 for each color. The 5-in-1 is unavailable currently. Okay, so what about the 500? Unavailable. So you can buy them individually. For 500 grams, a half a kilogram. It's $15, so basically it's $30 a kilogram, which is towards the higher spectrum, but it's not that bad if you're looking for something unique. I mean, these colors really are very unique. If you're an artist, you're doing some kind of 3D print art, or you need a specific flat matte color, it's pretty neat colors. I'm going to use this for certain things. I'm going to save them for probably a while until I find the right project for these, but really neat colors. Like I like the colors a lot. I also found this on Amazon as well. It is slightly more expensive, which makes sense. And it's free delivery on $35 and up, shipped by Amazon. So I usually just buy things only from Amazon just because Amazon covers me for whatever ever happens. So if you want to pay, I guess, a little bit extra money at the moment, who knows if it's going to stay that way or not. But as of right now, it looks like you can buy it for 95 cents more than their website. So do with that information what you will. I'll put a link down below if you want to buy it through Amazon. I get a little bit from the links. I really appreciate you guys using those links. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hit the like button if you like this content, and also subscribe if you want more of it. I really appreciate it. It's really cool when I get subscribers. I jump up and down with joy every time it happens. If you guys have any suggestions that you want me to test out, just let me know. Comment down below and I'll probably test them. Any suggestions for videos that you want to know, how I make money with my 3D printers, anything like that, just send me the questions my way, and if I can make a video out of it, I will. If I can't, I'll just answer the question. You guys have a great day.